Every time you hear no, it's easy to think it's the end of the road. But what if every no was actually a good thing? What if it's a sign you're getting closer to a yes? In our last video, we talked about 12 immediate actions to take the moment an audition rejection lands in your inbox. And while those steps are a powerful way to respond to a no, there's a deeper reason why so many actors still burn out. It's not about what you do, it's about what you think. See, if your mind is working against you, no amount of action can save your career. Today, I'm going to give you 12 ways to master your mindset so that rejection stops being a roadblock and starts being your biggest opportunity. And then, we are going to talk about the single biggest lie actors tell themselves that keeps them stuck. Reframe the rejection as redirection. Your no is not a judgment. It's the universe redirecting you away from the role that was not the right fit for you, clearing the path for the one that is. Detach yourself from the outcome. Your job is to audition. Your agent and the casting director's job is to cast. Your responsibility ends the moment you finish your performance. Focus on the process, not the result. Embrace the practice mindset. See every single audition as a chance to practice your craft, work with the new material, and build your confidence in a high-stakes environment. Stop comparing your acting journey to others. The only person you're competing with is the person you were yesterday. Your path is your own. View no as not yet or not this one. A rejection doesn't mean you won't get a role. It just means it wasn't the right project at this time. Celebrate the act of trying. Every audition is a win in itself. You put yourself out there. You were brave. Acknowledge and celebrate that bravery. Keep a wins journal. Instead of a rejection log that we talked about in our last video, keep a journal for every single win. Big or small, book the job, that's a win. But so is getting a callback or even feeling good about your performance. This simple tool is a game changer and reveals something about your journey that you probably never expected. Understand the casting director's perspective. They are not looking for reasons to say no. They're actively looking for the right person to say yes to. They want you to succeed. Your worth is not your work. Your value as a person has nothing to do with your success as an actor. Your core identity is separate from your career. The 24-hour rule. Give yourself 24 hours to feel the disappointment and then let it go. Move on and do not let yesterday's rejection steal today's energy. Focus on giving, not getting. In your audition, focus on giving the casting director a great performance and helping them solve their casting problem rather than focusing on getting the part. Build your own opportunities. Do not wait for the phone to ring. Create your own content, write your own scenes, or join a local theater group. You are your own boss. I mentioned the wins journal earlier. Here's why it is so powerful and what it reveals. When you consistently record your wins, even the tiny ones, you'll start to see a pattern that the act of trying is a success in and of itself. You will see that you are consistently creating opportunities, even when they don't lead to a booking. The wins journal helps you rewrite your internal narrative from "I'm a rejected actor" to "I'm a working actor in the business of auditioning." That was quick and fast, but that was a lot. But you can start right now with one of these points. Remember the biggest lie I talked about at the beginning? The one that actors tell themselves? Yeah, that lie is your talent is what determines your success. Well, it's not. Your resilience and your mindset are what determines your success. Without this mindset, the 12 immediate actions I gave you in our last video are just a temporary fix for a deeper problem. But with this mindset, those actions become the powerful, consistent engine that drives your career forward. So, if you're ready to put this powerful new mindset to the test, you need to go back and watch my video on the 12 immediate actions. These two videos are designed to work together to give you the complete path to turning every single no into an opportunity. You can find the link to that video in the description or on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and I'll see you next time.